Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. From the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This comprehensive analysis delves into the essence of reputation, its historical significance, practical applications, and strategies for both safeguarding your own reputation and understanding its impact on power dynamics. Introduction: The power of reputation. In the intricate dance of power, reputation stands as a pivotal force. It's not merely about how others perceive you. It's about the influence and authority that perception grants. A well-crafted reputation can open doors, command respect, and deter adversaries without a single word spoken. Conversely, a tarnished reputation can lead to isolation, vulnerability, and downfall. Robert Greene emphasizes that reputation is a cornerstone of power. It's a tool that, when wielded wisely, can amplify your strengths and mask your weaknesses. Understanding the mechanics of reputation is essential for anyone navigating the corridors of influence. The essence of Law 5. Reputation as a strategic asset. Greene posits that reputation is more than just social standing. It's a strategic asset. A formidable reputation can intimidate opponents, attract allies, and create an aura of authority. It's a form of soft power that can be more effective than overt displays of strength. For instance, a leader known for decisive action may deter challenges simply because adversaries anticipate swift retaliation. This preemptive respect or fear stems not from current actions, but from the established reputation. The fragility of reputation. While building a strong reputation takes time and consistent effort, it can be shattered in moments. A single misstep, scandal, or miscommunication can undo years of reputation building. Therefore, constant vigilance is necessary to protect this intangible yet invaluable asset. Historical illustrations: Zhuge Liang and the power of perception. One of the most compelling examples Greene provides is that of Zhuge Liang, a renowned Chinese strategist. Facing an imminent attack with limited defenses, Liang employed a psychological tactic. He ordered the city gates to be opened and sat atop the city walls, calmly playing a lute. The approaching enemy, aware of Liang's reputation for cunning, suspected a trap and retreated. This incident underscores how a well-established reputation can serve as a powerful deterrent. P.T. Barnum's reputation warfare. P.T. Barnum, the famed showman, understood the value of reputation in business. When his acquisition of the American Museum was threatened by a rival, Barnum launched a campaign to undermine his competitor's reputation. Through strategic publicity and spectacle, he cast doubt on the rival's credibility, eventually securing the museum for himself. Strategies for building and maintaining reputation. 1. Establish a signature trait. Identify a distinctive quality or skill that sets you apart. Whether it's reliability, innovation, or decisiveness, consistently demonstrate this trait to become synonymous with it in the eyes of others. 2. Consistency is key. Consistency in actions and decisions reinforces your chosen reputation. Inconsistencies can lead to confusion and erode trust, making it imperative to align your behavior with your desired image. 3. Control the narrative. Be proactive in managing how others perceive you. This includes addressing rumors promptly, highlighting achievements, and engaging in activities that reinforce your desired reputation. 4. Associate strategically. The company you keep reflects on you. Aligning with individuals or groups that embody your desired reputation can enhance your own standing. Conversely, associations with those of questionable repute can tarnish your image. Defending against reputation attacks. 1. Anticipate and prepare. Stay alert to potential threats to your reputation. By anticipating possible challenges, you can prepare responses or strategies to mitigate damage. 2. Respond strategically. When faced with attacks, respond in a manner that reinforces your reputation. Avoid defensive or aggressive reactions. Instead, address issues calmly and factually to maintain credibility. 3. Leverage allies. Support from respected individuals can bolster your defense. Allies can vouch for your character and counteract negative narratives. Using reputation as a tool against others. 1. Identify weaknesses. Observe your adversaries to identify inconsistencies or vulnerabilities in their reputations. These can be leveraged to cast doubt on their credibility. 2. Subtle undermining. Rather than overt attacks, employ subtle tactics such as satire or highlighting contradictions to erode an opponent's reputation without appearing malicious. Maintain your own integrity. While targeting others' reputations, ensure your actions don't backfire. Maintain ethical standards to avoid damaging your own standing. Modern-day applications. In business, companies invest heavily in brand reputation, understanding that consumer trust is paramount. A single scandal can lead to significant financial losses, while a strong reputation can command premium pricing and customer loyalty. In politics, political figures rely on reputation to gain and maintain power. Campaigns often focus on character and past actions, with opponents seeking to highlight inconsistencies or scandals to sway public opinion. In personal relationships, on a personal level, reputation influences social interactions, career opportunities, and community standing. Maintaining integrity, reliability, and respectfulness can lead to stronger relationships and networks. Conclusion: the imperative of vigilance. Reputation is a dynamic and powerful force in the realm of power and influence. It's both a shield and a sword, capable of protecting and advancing your position, or if neglected, leading to downfall. By understanding its nuances, actively managing your image, and responding strategically to challenges, you can harness the full potential of reputation as outlined in Law 5 of the 48 Laws of Power.